finished a 1957 Thunderbird that's getting ready to leave here. It's the late gunmetal gray, has red interior in it, full body off restoration, but this is a resto-mod, meaning walk back here, Lori, and take pictures of the inside. So this has air conditioning, AM, FM radio, tilt steering, small steering wheel, makes it easier to get in and out of. It has an AOD transmission in it. So this vehicle also has power windows, power seat, fully optioned. And underneath the hood here, we have a 302 Ford engine with an AOD transmission. We have air conditioning. We have throttle body fuel injection. We have Morgeson steering, and it also has disc brakes on it. You can see, Lori, take a real nice picture out in here of that. It really looks super. And this is, I think, number 5 of these we've done this year. Up here at the front, you walk around left here, get a little bit of a picture over here from the side. Get a nice look at the front, side of the car here. So like I say, this one's leaving here Saturday, and at that point in the game, we'll be getting this all shipped out and starting on another project.